Hi, it's Ryan Spanger here. I'm speaking to Greg Merrilees from Studio One Design about video on websites. And this is the fourth in our four-part series. So if you haven't had an opportunity to yet, go back and check out some of the other videos that we've made together. And in this video, we're going to talk about social proof videos on your website. So first of all, let's just define and make it really clear what we mean by social proof, Greg.
Yeah, sure. So what we're talking about here is having somebody else say how awesome your product or service is so that you don't have to. Because if you say it, it's not as genuine as if you can prove that you get results for other people.
Within social proof videos, I guess there's two main styles. There's case study videos and testimonial videos. And so a testimonial video is essentially an endorsement. It's a video of someone really just speaking to the camera saying, I have used this service. Maybe this is what it was like before I started using it, and this is the impact that it's made. Whereas something like a case study video will go into a lot more detail, where it'll actually take you through that journey.
For the video testimonials, you don't just want people to say how awesome you are, like you alluded to before. You want to sort of in the video, you want to let the prospects watching the video know what your situation was like before, and then, essentially what the results were after, and then say something nice as well, right? But what we like to do in a case study video is go a lot deeper. So generally for a case study video, we might have that on an individual case study page, right? And the beauty of those case study pages is that other prospects come into your site can go to one of those case study pages and they'll see the type of business you've helped and exactly how you've helped them get there, so that they will resonate with their own situation, so that they're more likely to take action.
In web design, you talk about this idea of conversion, which I guess is people visiting your site taking the action that you want them to take. So what sort of impact in general do you find having case study and testimonial videos has on conversion on your website?
Yeah, to me, it's a full case study is the most powerful conversion tool that I think, that we recommend most clients should put on the site. Depends on what kind of business they have, but especially if it's a service business, just for that reason, to show how detailed, your process is on how you help people. So yeah, to me, it's just one of the most powerful tools out there.
And when you suggest this to your clients, generally what's their reaction?
Well, they think it's a lot of work, which I guess it is, but to me, it pays off. Let's say you've got 1,000 clients. Just pick your 5, best clients that you want to attract more clients like that, and put the time and effort into those particular case studies, and you'll have years of new leads that will probably turn into clients because of those case studies. So it's a good investment.
Well, that brings us to the end of this 4-part series on video for websites. And Greg, thank you so much. It's been amazing talking to you. Greg Merrilees from Studio One Design. The reason why I invited you on here is because you're the person that I turn to when I need to know about websites and web design and design in general. And your company has designed, my website, and it's working really well. So for people who'd like to find out more about Studio One Design, what's the best thing for them to do?
Yeah, just head to the website, and if you go /checklist, there's actually a checklist that shows you 50 things that you could change from a no to not having on your website to yes, putting them on your website, and you will boost your results.
Okay, excellent. And so if there was one thought that you'd like to leave our audience with to do with video and websites, what is it?
Yeah, I would just say it's probably the most underutilized conversion asset out there. Like, people are too scared to put themselves on video, but don't. You will get a better result if you put yourself out there.